Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you again with another video, and this video I'm going to show you how I make my chow mein. Okay, it's chicken chow mein. What I did was chop up chicken thighs in pieces, in bite-sized pieces like this, and this is what it looks like. And I use some seasoned salt. This is Cool Running seasoned salt. I put some, this is browning, Grace browning. Oop. Some Kirkland brand of black pepper. And some Kirkland brand of crushed red peppers. And I put it in maybe a quarter cup of oil and stir it around. And that's it. I'm going to cover it and let it cook. I'm going to cover it and let it cook, and then we'll get back as soon as it's halfway done. So here we go, my friends. The chicken is almost done. I chopped up some scallion, some onions, and put in some chopped garlic in it, and it's slowly cooking now. Okay, so I'm going to give it another 10 minutes.
No, you added time.
Oh, and I also added time. I'm going to give this about 10 more minutes, and then I'll add the noodles to it. Okay. So hold on and you'll see what I do. Okay, my friends, I'm ready to put the chow mein in, and what I'm using is Rooster brand of instant noodles, and this noodles takes only 3 minutes to cook. So what I do is pour boiling water over the noodles and just drain them, and then drain them, and then they're ready to pour into the pot. I'm also going to put in 1 cube of the Knorr's chicken beyond cubes, and that gives it a nice flavor. So here's my noodles. Oh. Here's my noodles all nice and cooked. I'm going to add my noodles. Oh, first of all, I'm going to add my cube of chicken beyond cube in it. It gives it a nice flavor. All the seasoning is cooked. Oh. I'm just going to stir this around. Mash out that cube a little bit. And then I'm going to add my noodles, and my noodles are already cooked. As I said, it takes about 3 minutes to cook, and it's already cooked, right? So I'm just going to leave that there for a second. I'm just going to cover it up for another 2 minutes and come back, and we'll stir it around, and dinner will be ready. Okay, my friends, it has been 2 minutes since this is cooking, and I'm going to stir it around a little bit, and then deal with the next step. Okay, so I'm going to stir this around. See, it's nice, crispy, nice, saucy, and I like the color. It's nice and brown. So we're just going to stir it up until it's nicely blended in. I add in some sriracha sauce, just a little bit. It feels good. You can make it as spicy as you want to, or add in some hoisin sauce, and as I said, a little bit of squirt as well. And dinner is done. Chicken chow mein is it. Half an hour it takes for everything to be ready. I cook some rice in a rice cooker, and I'm going to plate this and show you what it looks like. So here we go, my friends. The chow mein plated. I added some rice. some spinach, and there's our chow mein. Delicious, delicious. As I said, half an hour to make this meal. I put the rice in the rice cooker to cook. The salad is just from a bag, and the chow mein takes half an hour to cook. So that's it. Nice quick meal for a busy family. Don't forget, not everyone wonders is lost, and always strive for something better. Thank you for watching.